Hi, I'm Jason. I'll walk you around this Transit today. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, we've got a Ford Transit Custom. L1H1, so short wheelbase, low roof, limited series. 2018 on an 18 plate, end of April registered, so just coming up to 5 years old. 116,000 miles, which is more miles than we would normally sell, but we know the van, we sold it new, it's full service history. So nice condition vehicle for what it is. Yeah, so 116,000 miles. Quite rare though. It's a 340, so it's the heavy payload. It's also the 170. It has factory LED lights in the load area. It has the 230 socket underneath the handbrake, and it has a factory tow bar as well, with the 13-pin electrics, 50mm ball and 13-pin electrics. Limited series all gives you the nice features you expect on the Transit Custom now. So the alloys, full colour coding, aircon, front and rear parking sensors. It's got security locks on the driver's door, the side load door on the rear door. A couple of small dents here on the back door, one by the rear number plate and one just underneath the custom badge. We've touched in the paintwork. Just try and get right out of the sun. So it's an ex-engineer's van, hence the heavy payload and the bigger engine. So full bulkhead with the load through flap, side door to the near side, ply to the arches, heavy duty ply on the floor, new spare, lives underneath but we store them in the back just while they're on sale. So the cab's in fantastic condition. We've got floor mats on, seat covers as well. Pretty sure the seat covers have been on from new. Really good condition inside the cab. So last service by us, previously by Ford, and then independently before that as well. So good service record. Both sun visors have the mirror with the light above. 8-inch touchscreen tablet with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated windscreen, heated mirrors, aircon, 6-speed manual. Cruise control. Got your Bluetooth telephone there as well. It's 116,702 miles. Automatic headlights. Folding mirrors, electric windows as well. So to summarise, Transit Custom Limited, 340 170 PS, Euro 6. In stock today, 116,000 miles, fresh service. Front brakes just been overhauled as well, so new discs and pads, and the cam belt been changed as well, so big job that one. But it comes with Roywood Transit 6-month warranty. Very nice van, very good condition. If you'd like any more details, if you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, give me a call please in the office, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.